Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of around $3023.985. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, the price after making a half around $3059, we have seen it has come down, and after making a low of around $2999, it is trading at a level of $3023.985, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Chances of going further upside was at a higher point because there is a pattern forming. So when the price above a level of 2920, I have clearly explained you that the price can move above this particular level and can make a new all-time high. Okay, and chances are high that if the price keeps sustaining above this level, we can see, and if it started going above a level of $38, we can see the price can go further upside and it will make another new high. There is a higher chances of it, but you have to understand that whenever it makes a new high, the profit booking comes at this level and then it tries to come down. Okay, slowly. Okay, now if you look at this trend, we have seen this particular on Friday, we have seen a red candle is forming. That means a profit booking has come at this level. But if the price started sustaining above a level of around 38, we can see a further upside movement. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Okay, or you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, and once the price started going below this particular level of around $30.04, we can see there can be a further downfall. Okay, if you look at the dollar index, see, dollar index plays an important role. Okay, so if the price started falling below this level, suppose if the price of dollar index started going further down, so we can see there can be a rise in the price of fall in the price of gold, because see, dollar index and gold both are inversely related, even silver also. Okay, so suppose, and see now what is happening, we can see 2-3 patterns are forming at this level. There is a clear U pattern is forming at this particular level, and opposite U pattern is forming. So if the price started falling below a level of 103.8, we can see a further downfall. Okay, so chances are high it will fall further low below a level of 103.1, so further downfall will be there. And once the price started falling below this level, a further fall we can see towards a level of $102, and from there it can touch a level of 101.7. and if the price started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see. But if the price sustain this level, chances are high it will move above level of 104.2, and once the price started going above this level, chances are high the price will go further upside towards a level of $105.2, and once started going above this level, a probability of going towards a level of around 106 will be there. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see. So when I'm saying that the dollar index started going upside, we can see the price of gold will come down. Okay, even silver come down, crude and natural gas. And once the when the dollar index started going down, we will see gold, silver, crude and natural gas price will go up, because they are inversely related, but sometimes they both moves in the same direction. Okay, so what you should be doing whenever you start to trade, put your SL, so capital will be saved. And once you're in profit, try to trail it. Okay, if you're trailing your SL, you will save your profit. This is the important thing you should be doing. Coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, if you look at the gold price now trading at a level of $30.23. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are high that it can go further low. Then we can see the next support coming at a strong level, that is $30.04. Okay, from there a bounce back can come from this level, but if that didn't sustain, we can see a further downfall. So chances are high, which is a very close level, that is $3,000. After this level, we can see level of 3,000, and once started falling below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 2988 is there. So if the price started falling below a level of 2988, a further fall we can see towards a level of around 2980, and this 2980 is already being tested, so chances are high the price will go further low and it will touch a level of $29.56. Okay, and once the price started falling below a level of around 2980, of chances of going towards a level of 29.56 we can see, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards 29.44. Suppose if the price started falling below 29.44, a chance of touching 29.40 we can see, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards 29.31. If the price started falling below 29.31, probability of touching 29.17 we can see, and from there a further downfall we can see below a level of 2900. So chances of further low we can see, so we can see a probability of going towards 2880, and this level is already weak, so chances are high the price will. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel please subscribe it. Thank you.